We've been watching the damage in Texas thanks to Hurricane Beryl. Some of the aftermath shows roof damage to numerous houses.
Yeah, with the height of hurricane season nearing, Bill Snyder checked in with the local contractor to find out what you can do now to stay ahead of any future storms.
Welcome to Darren Ladner's house here in the Kill. Now, the roof is rocking today, but nothing like it was back in April when those severe storms caused hail damage to his roof.
You know, it doesn't even take a hurricane to cause a weak roof to have issues. We had the hailstorm back in April, and that's this roof here is from that.
After that happened, Ladner looked into what's called Fortified roofing. It's recommended through the IBHS, or the Insurance Institute of Business and Home Safety.
The biggest factor with Fortified is a sealed roof deck. So the roof has to have a minimum of 7/16 plywood, and then all the seams between the plywood get taped. So then your plywood is entirely sealed. So even if you were to lose your shingles and your underlayment, the deck itself is still watertight. While it does cost a little more to do this process, it drastically decreases your insurance premiums for your renewals.
That's why Ladner's go on this route to make sure if the roof's rocking again, it's going to be better fortified. And husband says it's also a good time to get your roof checked as we get closer to the height of hurricane season.
I always recommend getting your roof checked by a contractor, roofer somewhere across the coast. Do you want to deal with water damage coming inside the house? Do you want to wait for the hurricane, or do you want to be proactive about it? Because while an insurance claim might cover the roof, then you're dealing with interior damages, a lot more escalation rather than just being prepared for it.
Here in the Kill, Bill Snyder, WLOX News Now.
And of course, it is time for the typical hurricane reminders to help you prepare. This is a look back at how Hurricane Zeta left the coast. And this is what you need to know about preparing. Have at least a 3-day supply of food, water, and medications. Remember that saying, the first 72 hours are on you.
Check your generator if you have one. Make sure it kicks on, and you do have gas for it. Make sure you have a way to charge all of your devices. Always good advice there.
And not all hotels and places along evacuation routes allow animals, so prepare now for your pets so they'll be safe as well. And finally, make sure you download the WLOX weather app. It is run by our First Alert team, and you can get up-to-date warnings and messages through there.